Welcome to your Renter's Kit by Beagle. Within this video, discover how your Renter's Kit will transform your renting experience from when you first move in to making a space you can call home. You are probably asking yourself, what is so special about his kit? And the answer is contained within all the benefits and protections designed to make your renting experience seamless. We all know how stressful moving can be. Your Renter's Kit has a move-in concierge service, making your move-in process a breeze. We help you set up utilities, internet, and other essential services with just one call. Our team works with top providers to ensure you get the best deals, saving you time and money. Focus on settling into your new home while we take care of the details. Most landlords require tenant liability coverage before letting tenants move in. With your Renter's Kit, this coverage is included, and we also cover your personal belongings. Tenant liability and personal content coverage acts as a safety net, ensuring you're protected if the unexpected happens. It's affordable and seamlessly integrated into your lease, giving you essential protection without the hassle of complex claims. From day one, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing you're covered. This includes liability coverage, up to $100,000 if you accidentally cause damage to your landlord's property. Personal content coverage, up to $10,000 to protect your belongings from risks such as fire, theft, and certain natural disasters. Additional living expense coverage, assistance if your residence becomes uninhabitable. With this coverage, you can rest easy, knowing you're protected against life's uncertainties. Your Renter's Kit offers a security deposit discount to help tenants with the initial financial burden of a deposit, typically 1 month's rent. This discount provides a substantial financial relief right when it's needed the most, aiding in a more pleasant and stress-free move-in experience. The credit building service included in your Renter's Kit will build your credit score with every on-time rent payment. On-time payments will be reported to 3 major credit bureaus each month. Don't worry, we will never report late or missed rent payments. We will only report the payments that help improve your score. Now that your credit score is built up, let's protect your financial identity from theft. In an age where online threats are more prevalent than ever, having this coverage can make all the difference. Your identity theft protection has coverage up to $1 million. Because our digital and financial identities are at constant risk, protection and monitoring will give peace of mind in an increasingly digital world. This comprehensive package ensures that you are safeguarded against any unauthorized access to your personal information. It actively monitors your accounts, alerting you of any suspicious activities. You'll have the security of knowing that your private data is under watchful protection. We value your loyalty as a renter. To show our appreciation, we offer a one-time forgiveness for late rent payments due to insufficient funds. You can also use our online tenant portal to easily access your information and services. Paying rent and submitting maintenance requests online is convenient and simple. Let's recap. We have covered the move-in concierge service, which assists you in settling into your new home smoothly by coordinating all the essential services and amenities you might need. Liability and content coverage, providing peace of mind by covering your personal belongings against unexpected events or damage. And the security deposit discount offers you financial relief by reducing the upfront costs when securing your new living space. Even after you move in, your Renter Kit continues to enhance your rental experience. Gain peace of mind with credit building for each on-time rent payment and $1 million coverage protection from identity theft. When times are tough, there is the one-time forgiveness if you are late on a rent payment. And don't forget, you will have access to the tenant portal for a convenient renting experience. Thank you for exploring your Renter's Kit by Beagle. Experience a seamless living environment with services that make life easier and more rewarding. Join the community of satisfied residents today.